Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. And yes, today I'm going to be trying to sort out my Sidelight. Let me show you what it's doing. I'll just turn it on for you. Nothing too major. I think it's done it before actually, and I've videoed it before, whether it's a poor connection or whether the plug has rattled loose. But let's just turn the Sidelights on and show you. So as you can see, the near side one's on and the offside one isn't on, but if you give it a quick tap it comes on. So yeah, give it a tap, it comes off. So I'm assuming it's a loose connection. Yeah, oddly enough, when you put the headlight on it always comes on. So what I'm going to do, switch them off and then unscrew the headlight. Headlight's located here. There's a little tab down inside there that I'll show you in a minute that you've got to press to release it, and then the whole headlight unit comes out. As you may be able to tell, it's rather windy, so yeah, I may have to overdub this video when I get indoors, but as I say, that's actually pretty much what secures the headlight bulb. Let's go and get a longer screwdriver a minute. Right, so let's show you. There's a tag there that needs to be released, and one just down there. There we go, you can see it already. Dead simple, very easy to come out. And then the headlight, hopefully, I could do it with my other hand actually. The headlight then, as you can see, is free to come out. Now you have a connector there, lots of cobwebs. That's what I think is a bit loose on mine, so I'm going to unclip it and take a look. Yeah. Let's have a look for you. There we go, headlight unit is out. This is actually the back of the unit. That's the plug there. It doesn't look dirty at all, but I'm probably going to put some electrical cleaner on it. The plug literally just fell off as I did it. That's a ballast pack, I believe. I put the headlight on a cloth because obviously you don't want to scratch the front. Previously, you would have seen I cleaned a lot of this a little while ago. Yeah, a few bits of dirt in there, but pins of the plug look fine. I think it was just literally not located on hard enough. Perhaps the vibration from running the harder suspensions caused the plug to unlock, but it's unusual given that it was that side, so which was the same side as it did before. As the weather's on the turn, time for a quick cup of tea. Lovely. There we go, I've got my electrical cleaner. As I say, I'm just going to give the plug a quick spray and the socket in the back of the headlight a quick spray. Neither of it really need it. As I said, I'm pretty sure it's just the cable and the plug and how it's located. There we go. Plug is dry, cable's dry, and the light seems to come on the minute I turn it on. I am going to be ditching these soon actually because they're a bit yellow, so I'm going to get some lovely auto beam bulbs hopefully soon, but obviously I will film myself fitting them. There we go. Oh, that's the wind. All I've got left to do now is just secure these. Again, apologies for the shoddy camera work, but yeah, all you got to do is make sure that clicks back in, which it has done, and tighten it back up. There's no adjusters on these because obviously this bolt here locates it, and as I say, as long as the bottom clips are pushed in, jobs are good. And hey, how was that? 10-minute job, not too bad. There we go, a rather rushed video on this very windy New Year's Eve. Speaking of which, I hope you all have a great New Year's Eve. And here's to 2024. Lots going on with my radio show. Everything basically, but obviously I'm hoping, to be able to do a lot more videos for you on YouTube. So stay tuned. If you've not already clicked on the subscribe button, do the good thing, click on it, and I shall see you very shortly in the new year. Thanks for watching.